Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm making this video about what are twin flames and what is their mission. Okay, so you can find many different articles about what are twin flames and how many twin flames are there. Okay, there are questions like does every person have a twin flame, and one thing that I am seeing everywhere is about union. Everyone is talking about union, like when will my twin come back and when union will happen. Okay, but in the midst of all these things we are forgetting one thing. We are forgetting that union is not something that should be occupied majorly in our minds. Union is not the objective of the relationship. Okay, the main purpose of the relationship is something different, and there is no doubt that for union only you work very hard. It is the union that acts as a driving force so that you perform all the healing work, and you start your spiritual mission, and ultimately you achieve union. So union is the driving force, you can say, but that is not the ultimate objective. So your focus should not be on the union, but your focus should be on understanding first of all what are twin flames and why they are here. If you are coming to this realization by the universe, if you are being reminded from the universe that you are twin flame, or you are in such a journey, then the first thing that you should do is find out what it is that you are supposed to do. What are twin flames, why they are here, and what you should be doing in all these things. You should not be focused on when the person will come back to you, and you should not you keep chasing the person. Okay, that will totally sidetrack you on your twin flame journey. Okay, so firstly I'll answer the question what are twin flames and does everyone have a twin flame. So yes, everyone has a twin flame. We all are souls which are living in physical bodies. Okay, living in physical bodies because now we are living on earth. Earth is not our home. Our home is spirit world. Okay, we come here to learn lessons. Okay, there are different reasons why the souls take birth on earth. Firstly, they could have karma to clear with other souls, so to clear their karmic debts they incarnate on earth. Second, they take birth here to evolve as a soul. Okay, to evolve as a soul, to grow as a soul. Okay, so that could be the one another reason. And third reason is the souls incarnate here to perform certain divine mission, to perform certain to have their spiritual mission. Okay, for some spiritual work they born here. So twin flames fall into this category. They have a spiritual mission, and to perform that mission, to help or to assist divine in that particular mission, they are incarnated on earth. Now many of you are being reminded about this fact. Those who are on this path, if they are seeing all these signs and if they are having all these experiences, you are being reminded by the universe, your guardian angels, or by the divine that wake up, now it is the time that you come to a realization that you are a twin flame and you are on this path and you are supposed to do your spiritual mission. Okay, so everyone has a twin flame. Yes, every soul has a twin flame, but not necessarily every twin flame will be incarnated on earth at this particular time. Okay, so the 1,44,000 number that we keep reading everywhere, that is nothing but those many twin flames are right now incarnated on earth, and they will carry out the divine mission. Okay, and the rest of the twin flames can be in the spirit world, or one soul will be on earth performing its duties, and one his twin flame, his or her twin flame, will be in spirit world assisting him or her. Okay, so yes, everyone has a twin flame, and if you have met your twin flame in the physical world, then you both will do the spiritual work. You both have some spiritual mission which you are supposed to follow. Okay, so just wake up and start focusing on your spiritual work. Okay, don't keep dreaming about union and all these things, when he will come back, why he is not replying to my messages and everything. Okay, just focus on the spiritual work. So like I said, every soul. So if you are on this path, okay, so what are twin flame? Your twin flame is nothing but your same soul in another body. Okay, so it is the same energy. Soul is an energy, right? Now every energy has two qualities, you can say, or two parts, right? One is masculine and one is feminine. So your twin flame is the same energy, and how you two balance each other? If you have more feminine energy, your twin will have more masculine energy. Okay, now I'm talking about energy. By feminine and masculine, I don't mean about physical body or their gender. I'm talking about energies. Okay, even a female can have more masculine energy inside her, and her counterpart will have more feminine energy inside her. So that could also happen. And another thing is, it is not like you will have 100% feminine energy and your twin will have 100% masculine energy. It is not like that. Both have feminine and masculine energies within them, and the main task is to balance these energies. So if you are a female, you might have 60% or 70% of the feminine energy and 30% masculine energy. Your twin will have 70% masculine energy and 30% feminine energy. What is our objective is to balance these two energies. Okay, and the twins, through their work, they are doing this only. They are doing balancing work. They are balancing their feminine and masculine energies. That's how they mirror each other. That's how they are opposites of each other. You know, if you Google yin and yang, you will understand what is this opposite nature, what is this duality of the two energies. Just Google yin and yang, or feminine and masculine, or Shiva and Shakti. Okay, so that is twins, same energy in two different bodies, and you are working on balancing yourself. And you can have only one twin flame, okay, because your soul it cannot be in so many other bodies. Okay, so twin flame is your exact mirror. It has the same soul, so it will carry the same DNA, the same fingerprint, okay, the same patterns which you have and he has. Same energy also means your vibration or your energy will be same. You will both have a same exact identical frequency, soul frequency. That's why when you meet, you have that intense connection, and you feel like whatever you were searching your entire life, you have found it. That is because the two of you resonate on the same frequency. So it is not a tough task to recognize your twin flame. Okay, then your twin flame, okay, that video I'll make in some other video because it will be a very long video. Then coming to the purpose, what is the purpose of the twin flame? Okay, now you two met and you fall in love, and it is not basically love. You can say it is love at first sight, but what is happening is recognition. Okay, you don't know him or her, you don't know what is his nature, what are his value, but still you fell in love. That is nothing but recognition. Okay, and all you keep focusing on the love aspect of the relationship. Okay, so the recognition part is so strong that it makes you feel like this is the love of your lifetime, and it is indeed the love of your lifetime, but the purpose and how this relationship operates is entirely different, and people are forgetting, they are escaping this main thing about gathering the facts and understanding the purpose, and that is why they are stuck in pain. That is why they are stuck in their journey. Okay, so my objective is to help you, divert your mind from unnecessary stuff to what you should be doing. Okay, so why your twin flame came to your life? To help you awaken to your truth. Okay, when you're faced to yourself, you will see all your faults, you will see whatever that is unhealed, you will see whatever your shadow side is, you will see what you need to work in order to get whole within yourself, to come to your true self, to align with your true self. So twin flames incarnate on earth to carry a divine mission. What is that mission? Right now, as you can see, the earth is at a very low vibration. The earth is operating at a very low vibration.